can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Ledger. In this video, we'll take a look at the general cryptocurrency market. The last 1 week has been nice to altcoins. We've seen altcoins bouncing aggressively. Cake is up 52%. We've seen Bitcoin even rally to as high as $86,000. Are we ready for that relief bounce in the cryptocurrency market? In this video, we'll take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a daily time frame. We're looking at Bitcoin's RSI, Bitcoin's moving average. We'll look at Bitcoin's dominance, Ethereum, total crypto market cap. Where is the general market heading to in the coming days and coming weeks? Are we going to see that awesome echo bubble rally we've been talking about? We'll also look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market right now. There's still fear. We're expecting some greed in the cryptocurrency market. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. On a monthly time frame, the market is still recovering. If you go back 1 week, you will see that a lot of altcoins are bouncing hard thanks to Bitcoin finding a bottom around the $76,000 level. That happened on the 11th of March 2025. A lot of coins in the market bottomed that day. Bitcoin, the king of the market, has bounced to as high as $87,000. That's a 13% bounce from the bottom. Right now, at the point of recording of this video, Bitcoin is up 10% from the bottom. Bitcoin trades around $84,000. I'm of the opinion that Bitcoin is not rallying to new all-time highs. I'm of the opinion that we're going to see a retracement rally. We're going to see some altcoins outperform Bitcoin in this retracement rally, and this retracement rally can see Bitcoin even rally to as high as the $99,000 level. Best case scenario, I see Bitcoin getting to $102,000. Different opinion in the market. Some market participants believe we're pumping to new all-time highs, while some believe we are dumping to gobbling town. Somewhere in the middle. I believe the bull market is over. At the same time, market participants are still in denial. So we'll see that echo bubble rally where shorts are getting liquidated, where bulls are piling in, thinking, you know what, this time is different before we start our dump to gobbling town. Now, another chart that is supporting that theory that Bitcoin is going to rally, and after Bitcoin rally, all coins will outperform Bitcoin, and then the market will go to shade, is Bitcoin dominance. Now, I've seen Bitcoin dominance set new cycle highs, even getting to as high as 64.32% this cycle. That was in February when we saw that huge crash in the cryptocurrency market. But overall, closing a daily candle, we saw Bitcoin dominance getting to as high as 62.21%, and I believe Bitcoin dominance is already in a downtrend. We saw that starting on the 11th of March 2024 also. So I'll not be shocked if in the next few days we see a big drawdown in Bitcoin dominance where all coins start pumping. We see Ethereum start pumping. We see Bitcoin also pump, but not as hard as Ethereum and other altcoins. Now, if you take a look at Ethereum, the king of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market, is down bad aggressively. Market participants say it has underperformed this cycle. I beg to differ. We've seen Ethereum get to $4,000 multiple times this cycle. We saw it trading at $4,000 just in December of 2024. And the first part of 2025, I've seen Ethereum lose around 57% of its value. Now, just like Bitcoin, I expect Ethereum to give us a retracement rally. How high will Ethereum retracement rally go? Maybe not new all-time highs, but I expect a big bounce in the coming days and coming weeks. We could see Ethereum rally to $3,400. Best case scenario, Ethereum might even get to as high as $3,600. For what we're currently trading, for ETH to pump that high, we need to see a rally of around 85%. That's what Ethereum has to do to get towards $3,600. If Ethereum starts pumping right now, I don't assume market participants will be hurrying to sell. Most market participants are left offside. They have sold their Ethereum into cash, into Solana, into other coins. Most people holding Ethereum up till now are strong hands. They are believers. They are going to continue holding even though we see higher prices. So if you look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin, that tells the story of this theory. That gives us more perspective on this theory. Ethereum has been losing value against Bitcoin over the last 2 years. I'm of the opinion at some point in time that trend is going to change, and we're getting very close to when that trend will change. The last time Ethereum had a wonderful time against Bitcoin, almost getting to new all-time highs, was way back in December of 2021. Since then, we've seen Ethereum dumping to gobbling town aggressively, losing more than 75% of its value. And in the last 1 year alone, guys, we've seen Ethereum lose around 61% of its value. So things have not been nice for Ethereum against Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been the one having the very, very nice time. But guys, this time is not different. We've seen it happen before where Ethereum was dumping aggressively to gobbling town without any hope, and finally found the bottom in September of 2019. When he found that bottom, Ethereum continued outperforming till the end of that cycle. But when market participants found out, it was already late. You want to get in very, very early, just like the strong hands do. You want to buy when it's low, when other retail investors are scared to buy. History has shown us over time that when the RSI comes to the lower band, that's around the 30 region, that's always a good time to buy. We saw that in 2022. Ethereum gave us a big bounce. We even saw that in October of 2023, where Ethereum held its own. Right now, Ethereum might be giving us a lifetime opportunity to get in for some sweet price. Now we can look at Solana, another big performer in the cryptocurrency market. Solana has gotten to as high as $295 in this market cycle. But just like Bitcoin, just like Ethereum, it has not outperformed market participants' expectations. Market participants entered this market cycle with a whole lot of expectations. There was cry for Solana to go to $1,000, Ethereum to go to $10,000, Bitcoin to go to $250,000. So even though we have seen a huge rally, even though we have seen Solana rally from as low as $8 in December of 2022, we have seen it rally to as high as $295. Market participants are expecting more. They're expecting higher prices. But Solana is showing us huge worrying signs. We saw it getting to new all-time highs on the 20th of January 2025, and it was showing a huge bearish divergence. We saw price skyrocketing to new all-time highs, where we saw momentum going down to governing town, and that's the bad sign. I'll not be shocked if we see Solana, just like Bitcoin, just like Ethereum, go for that bubble rally. Solana could easily rally to as high as $180. Best case scenario, we see Solana attempting to get to the $200 level. Now let's take a look at the total crypto market cap. Total crypto market cap currently sits around $2.72 trillion. This was the previous all-time high where we got to in the 11th of March 2024. Right now, we have turned that previous resistance into support. Hopefully, we'll see retracement rally just like we'll see for Bitcoin, just like we'll see for Ethereum, just like we'll see for Solana. I expect the total crypto market cap to give us one bounce before we begin our dump to gobbling town mode. Opinion: the bull market is over. The bull market ended in December of 2024. A lot of market participants are still in denial about that. You're not going to see anybody agreeing till maybe the middle of 2025 when we are already deep in gobbling town. Right now, we're going for that encore rally. We can see the total crypto market cap easily rally to as high as $3.45 trillion. That will be about a 30% pump from where we are currently trading. Guys, the last pump before the dump is the most dangerous pump. The last pump before the dump is where you want to run for the hills. Take a look at what happened in 2022. They had seen Bitcoin going to new all-time highs, going to $69,000. Bitcoin having the first pullback, and then we saw that retracement rally. That was where you had to run out for your life because a huge dump was coming. Bitcoin rallied to $47,000. After dumping to $33,000, we saw Bitcoin give us a rally of around 45% in 63 days, and that was a sign to run for your life. Because after that rally, a huge dump to gobbling town began. We saw Bitcoin losing 63% of its value in 77 days. And I believe something like that is going to happen in 2025. We need to see that big bounce before that big dump to gobbling town begins. Right now, macro conditions are telling us we're not going to see any pump anytime soon. We have talks of tariffs, the SMB topping. We have been pumping for 2 years. If you look at it from the market cycle theory perspective, we can't keep going on forever. At some point in time, a dump is going to gobbling town, and that dump might be around the corner. In the past 24 hours, over 98,000 traders have been liquidated. Total liquidation is coming in around $187 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Bybit. One trader lost $895,000. We're expecting to see more liquidations. I expect to see a lot of bears get liquidated as we rally to higher prices. I expect to see a lot of bulls running into the market as we rally to higher prices. The last rally is always the craziest rally because that's when meme coins are pumping. That's when all the risky stocks that have not had their own time in the sun will be pumping. If you go and take a look at the top 100 cryptocurrency market capitalization, you see the leaders are not Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. We're seeing other coins have good time. The last 1 week has seen Cake rally up by 52%, CRV 10%, Bonk 16%, and if we go to the top 200 coins, you see Auction is up 122%, Fat coins up 39%. You get the gist. The main party is not in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. The main party is going to be in the altcoin market. If you take a look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, there's still fear right now. Last month, there was neutral sentiment in the market. Last week, there was fear. We're expecting to see some greed before that dump to gobbling down. The markets, sentiment-wise, look like the bottom on the 27th of February, 2025. Right now, we have seen the markets get to as high as neutral sentiment. That was on the 20th of March. In the next few days, in the next few weeks, as we continue rallying to higher prices, expect to see improved sentiment, expect to see market participants calling for new all-time highs. This time is different. We are going to the moon. They'll be grading the market. Nobody wants to sell. Guys, anytime the crowd is happy, anytime the crowd is excited that we're going to the moon, that's when you should be selling for some sweet profit. Anytime the crowd is fearful, anytime the crowd is scared, that is your cue to buy for a good price. Now let's take a look at some news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Theta 6 Big 4 firm for its full financial audit. Cryptocurrency giants targets $1 billion for new funds, expect over subscription. Crypto Super PAC network to back GOP House candidates in Florida, and Nigeria still open to crypto business despite rocky path. Coinbase in talks to buy derivative exchange Deribit. And Ethereum open interest hits all-time high. With Ethereum price follow, are the bulls long in the market expecting it to pump? That's why we're seeing huge open interest. Or is there a lot of people shorting the market expecting Ethereum to dump to gobbling down? No matter where you see it, I believe we'll see a pump in the coming days and coming weeks. So if market participants are shorting the market, we might see some late shorts get liquidated before we begin our dump to gobbling down. If we're seeing bulls along the market, that might give us a fuel to pump in the next few days. Strategy announced a 10% preferred stock offering to buy more Bitcoin. Market seller is delivering up again. Will this end in a bad way? We'll find out in the bottom of the bear market if he will be the next main character to get slaughtered for the progress of the cryptocurrency market. Tornado mixer dropped from US Barclays. German financial regulator prohibits sales of Ether to USDE. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Bitcoin currently trades around $84,000. Ethereum currently trades around $1,989. Solana is battling the $130 range. Are you still bullish on the cryptocurrency market? Do you still believe there's still fuel for us to continue pumping in this short-lived crypto bull market? The bull market started in November of 2022 and according to me ended in December of 2024. Do you believe that's the end, or we are still pumping 4-year cycle? Which theory do you believe is playing out? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.